Welcome students, I am Ruchika Agrawal, Assistant Professor in Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore. Today our topic is Vinca pharmacognosy. Vinca is an antimitotic and antimicrotubules alkaloid agent. It is cell cycle specific cytotoxic agent which produced synthetically. Synonyms of Vinca are Vinca rosea, Catharanthus, Periwinkle, Burmasi, etc. Biological source: Vinca is the dried entire plant of Catharanthus roseus linen belonging to the family Apocynaceae. Geographical source: the Vinca plant is a native of Madagascar and is found in the many tropical and subtropical countries, especially in India, Australia, South Africa, North and South Africa also. The plant is cultivated as a garden plant in Europe and India. This is a picture of Vinca plants which is available in the different color as shown in the diagram. Cultivation and collection. It is require dry and moist soil and can tolerate the drought. It is cultivated either by directly sowing the seeds or sowing the seeds in the nursery. Nursery sowing method is found to be economical and the fresh seeds are sown in nursery in the month of February or the March. The seedlings attain a height of 5 to 8 cm after 2 months and then they are transplanted into the field at the distance of 45 to 30 cm. In order to collect the whole plant, the stems are first cut about the 10 cm above the garden and the leaves, seeds, stems are separated and dried. The roots are collected by plugging, which are later washed and dried under shade and packed. Characteristics of the Vinca are following. Leaves. Leaves are green in color. Flowers are either violet, pinkish, white or carmine red. Roots are pale grey in color. Then flower have both male and female organs and are pollinated by the bees. Fruits. Fruit follicles with the numerous black seeds. Microscopy. When we observe the transversal sections of the Vinca leaves, it observed as shown in the figure. Epidermis is a single layer of rectangular cell covered with thick cuticle. It consists of unicellular covering the trichomes and the cruciferous stomata. The palisade parenchyma cell are present just below the upper epidermis. Midrib region 2 to 3 layer of collenchyma is present both below the upper epidermis and above the lower epidermis. Vascular bundle consisting of xylem and phloem is present in the middle of midrib region. Chemical constituent. Leaves or roots contain the more alkaloids. About 90 alkaloids have been isolated from the Vinca, like the asmalacine, serpentine are known and are present in other species of Apocynaceae. The important alkaloids in Catharanthus are the dimerindole, indoline alkaloid, vinblastine and vincristine, and they possess anti-cancer activity. Vindoline and catharanthine are indole monomeric alkaloids. It also contains monoterpenes, subsquiterpenes, indole and indoline glycoside. The chemical structure of vinblastine and vincristine are as shown in the figure. Uses. Therapeutic uses of Vinca alkaloids are following. Vinblastine is an antitumor alkaloid used in the treatment of Hodgkin's disease. vincristine is used to treat leukemia in children. These may also be used as a gargle. The flower of periwinkle are gently purgative. It is stated is excellent as a gentle laxative for children. Marketed products. The marketed products of vinca leaves is cytocristin, which is manufactured by the Cipla. Other are vinblastine sulfate injection USP and vincristine sulfate injection USP. Thank you everyone.